Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday's maths session. I was really impressed yesterday with all of your shape hunting that you did yesterday. And I think you found lots of very good 3D shapes around your house, and I could see lots of ticks. And it was really interesting that some shapes were far easier to find than others. But you all had a really, really good hunt, so well done on that. Now, today, we're going to go on another 3D hunt. But this time, when you find your 3D shapes, I need you to collect them all up for me and keep them ready for tomorrow as well. We'll need them for tomorrow. So as we go around our house, we must make sure that we ask an adult, can I put that in my pile of 3D shapes? And if that's okay, then keep it with you. But the thing is, you can't just go around your house hunting for 3D shapes. No. You have to hunt for them and remember some facts about them. So let's just go through the 3D shapes we looked at yesterday and see if we can remember some facts. Let's start with one that I think is a nice, easy one. Are you ready? Let's have a look at this shape here. What shape is it? It looks a bit like a dice, but it's not called a dice. It's called it's got a cube. Well done. So this is my cube. That's a 3D shape. Now let's just remember. Can you remember what the posh word is? I said yesterday sometimes we call these sides, but there's a posh word for them. What's that posh word? It's not sides. There. I'll give you a clue. What's this? It's my face. So each side is not called a side. Our posh word for it is face. And what shape are each of the faces on my cube? What shape are all of them? Shout it really loud. No, it's not a circle. Even louder. That's right. All of the faces on my cube are a square shape. Can you see that? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one at the back, 6 square faces. I bet you won't remember the next word. Can you remember what the word vertices means? Vertices. I'll give you a clue. What am I holding on to? Yeah, normally we'd call them the corners, wouldn't we? But with 3D shapes, we use that posh word vertices, and we think about how many vertices a 3D shape has. Well, how many vertices can you see that I'm holding here? My fingers are on them. Can you see? That's right. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 vertices there, but that's not all of them because look, if I turn it over, there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 add 4 equals 4 add 4 equals 8. So it must have 8 vertices. Then there's another thing, isn't there? It's those edges. Let's have a look. Those edges, those nice straight areas. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of fingers, children. 7, 8. Oh, there's more. 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. And our edges show us the side of 2 different faces. It's where the 2 different faces join together. Now this one has 12 edges. 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 faces. Can anybody remember the other shape that was just like that had 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces? Was it my sphere? No. Was it my cylinder? No. Was it my cone? No. I remember. It was it's not a cube, it's a cuboid. And what's the big difference between a cube and a cuboid? I know this is red and I know this is blue, but that's not the main difference. Can you remember the main difference? I'll give you a clue. This face is a square. But what is this face? It's got the same amount of sides as a square, but it's not a square, is it? It's a rectangle. So a cuboid has also got 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces, but the faces aren't all squares. 2 are squares and 1, 2, I can't do that very well, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 faces are rectangles. So that's the difference between a cube and a cuboid. Okay, what's this one again? Yeah, it's our cone. We don't call it an ice cream cone. We just call it a cone. What shape face does it have on the bottom? That's right, it's got a circle. And look, and there's this curved face going all the way around. Shall I give you a really good clue? If you're not sure if a face is curved or not, see if you can roll it easily. And if it rolls really easily, it's a good clue that that face is curved. So I've got a circle face. I've got a curved face. I've got, oh look, one lovely edge here going all the way around, joining my circle face to my curved face. And then I've got a lovely vertices on top. Can you see it? There it is. So that's my cone. Easy peasy. What is it? It's not a ball. Well, it is a ball, but it's not a ball, children. No, it's not a circle. What is it? It's that really silly word. Sphere. Sphere. Well done. Say it again with me. Sphere. Well done, you guys. Looks like a ball. Yeah, it can roll easily. So do you think on my sphere, do you think its face is a flat face? Or do you think it's a curved face? Look how easily it's rolling. See if you can tell an adult that today. And then, of course, two more children doing really well here. My cylinder. This was the one I found most of in my house yesterday. Cylinder. Circle face. Circle face. Oh, look. I wonder what this face is going all the way around the middle. Do you think it's flat? What do you think? Is it flat? When you go on your 3D hunt today, will you check this out for me and tell me if the face in the middle of my cylinder, is it a flat face or is it a curved face? And how do you know? And the last one. Oh, this is the trickiest one of all. What is it? Yeah, it's my, I'll give you a clue, square-faced pyramid. That's got, let's have a look, it's got one square face. And then it's also got, let's see if we can remember, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle faces. So it's got one square, and let's try it, one square, add 4 triangle faces. So how many faces has it got altogether? Yeah, it's got 5. So I definitely think this is going to be the trickiest one for you to find today. So your challenge, children, I'm going to let you get on with your challenge. Remember, as you go around your house on your shape hunt today, don't just tick them off on a sheet. You don't need to do that. You need to make sure you can ask an adult first. Collect as many as you can find of your 3D shapes. And as you find it, you need to say to somebody, I know this is a sphere. You have to tell them why you know it's a sphere. Can you tell them a fact about it? I know this is a sphere because it's got one curved face. Or because it's got no vertices. There are none, remember that vertices, posh word for corners? Can't see any on there. It's got no vertices. So you've got to think of a fact for each of your shapes to be able to collect it up. Oh, I know this is a cube because all the faces are the shape of a square. Look at that. It's another really important fact you could use. Gosh, children, I'm struggling with my words today. So, your challenge today. Go on that shape hunt, collect up as many as you can, but as you collect them, make sure you tell an adult how you know it's that particular shape. How do you know it's a cube? How do you know it's a cuboid? How do you know it's a sphere? How do you know it's a cone? How do you know it's a square-based pyramid? How do you know it's a cylinder? Make sure you tell your adult lots of facts. And what your adult could do is they could either write down the things that you remember about each of them, or they could film you telling them, with you telling them how you know it's that shape. And then you can send it to me on Tapestry so I can see your cleverness. Have fun today, children. See how many 3D shapes you can collect up ready for tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.